Kitten. I'm here with Kitten. I'm Leo, a worshiper. Oh. And she's a total little love hog. As soon as you even get into her sight, she'll just immediately start meowing and saying, "Oh, just come in and pet me, love me, love me." Yeah, she was actually pretty into this little shoestring toy. Isn't that right, Kitten? Oh. Kitten. She's... Hi. Hey, girl. She has this, yeah, she has this little high-pitched, kind of really kitten-like meow. Oh, hi. Oh. Yeah, Kitten's a great little girl. Aw, you love that. Hi. Aw. She just loves skirting around and exploring her little room. Aw. You're good. You're good. Yep, here's Kitten. Get him out.